CashMyGuns here, showing you the process of intaking firearms from our customers who use our online hassle-free service. Upon the arrival of a customer's firearm to our Nevada headquarters from UPS, the team secures them in our facility to prepare them for our final inspection intake to complete our offer to the seller. First, we carefully unpackage them from the shipping materials to make sure there is no damage to the firearm during transit. Safety is our top priority here, and before the inspection takes place, our team always checks firearms to ensure they are not loaded before initiating the functions test. Once it is safe, the team begins the functions test as well as a careful, thorough inspection of the condition of the firearm. The team of experts analyze the functionality of the firearm to verify all components are in working order. This includes the barrel's bore, trigger, hammer, firing pin, safety mechanism, and other internal parts. In this example, we are giving a final evaluation on a snub-nose revolver. Our expert is testing the functionality of the revolver by inserting snap caps in the cylinder to verify the firing pin is striking the snap cap. He is also testing the cylinder to see if it revolves correctly and the hammer for single action mode. As you can see, the firing pin's mark has been left on the snap cap, indicating it is in working order. A quick cleaning and rust abatement treatment are applied to the firearm to ensure it will be ready for use for its new owner once it is resold. It is then secured in our vault where it awaits final approval from the seller. After the seller agrees to our final offer, the accountant generates a bill of sale finalizing the payment and initiates a direct deposit for the seller or sends a check the old-fashioned way. So for those of you who don't want to leave home to sell your gun, count on CashMyGuns.com to get the job done safely and professionally.